Lots of Thomas and his friends. Hi there. Ah, peekaboo, Elisha. What you got?
James.
What's that? A launcher, James?
Again. Spencer launching.
Oh, so this is your new one.
Yes.
Spencer launcher and small Spencer. And James launcher. Wow. Okay, unboxing time. Okay. How does it work? Oh. Hi, little James. James's number 5. And this is little Spencer number. Oh, Spencer doesn't have number. Okay, let's go launch. Okay, you put James inside the launcher. Okay, I'm all done. Spencer inside here. 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Ah! Hold on! What happened? Okay. Okay, so here it is. Yeah. So we have 9 little trains for launcher. Okay, so we have, who's this? We have Bash. We have Flynn. And we have Hero, Spencer, and Samson, little Percy, little Salty, and little Gordon, and the newest one, little James. Okay, we'll put them inside the launcher. So we'll put James first. James in your launcher. And Spencer in his launcher. Okay, come on. Okay, no, don't pull it. That's enough. And Spencer. There you are. Okay, Elisha, you ready? Steady, go! Woo! Who's faster? Okay, when the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, put it. When I say go, you release it. Okay, ready, steady, go! Elisha first. One more. Ready, steady, go! Oh! My. Ready, steady, go! Ooh, really fast! Wow! Okay, can you launch James? Here's the tunnel. Okay, 1, 2. Woo! Where is it? That was fast. Okay, one more. Spencer. Woo! Good job! Who's next? We can do Gordon maybe? Gordon will use James launcher.
How about
That's okay, that's okay. Okay, and who's this?
it's red?
That's okay. You got red there too. Okay. Next time they will switch. Okay. 1, 2. Here's the tunnel. Go! Oh, it goes there. One more. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Cool. Who's next? Okay, there.
And
Flynn, the other one?
orange.
Orange. Cool. Okay. Ready, steady. Ready, steady. Go! Oh, did it go through? Ready, steady, go! Whoop. Oh, it didn't go through. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Yay! One. 1, 2, 3. Go! I didn't go through the tunnel.
Bye. Keep watching. Bye. Peace and quiet.
Do you like it? Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah, that's so nice. Okay, bye.